Right, so for those of you guys who know me, I'm not only just to do the coding, I also have a digital art channel, and I learn a lot of about digital art personally. When you are learning art, you encounter problem. You have to draw inspiration from like a color wheel, something like that. So I want to write a random color generator. That's the reason color generator app, and I want to also share with you guys some of the technique framework that you can use using SwiftUI as well as Swift. Okay, so let's get to it. I already got the mock data as well as a color random like extension. Okay, so let's get to it. So color extension is will be a like a SwiftUI. Okay, and I believe I can use Copilot. Help me boost up my speed. Okay, basically just extension of color, and here random color. Okay, static not func, rather just a var would be suffice. Color and sorry, not color, but random or random color, doesn't really matter, just some extension. Random will extend our color, return a color that have the red, green, blue, random. Okay, that's pretty good. Copilot from the reference to public code and recent suggestion. Pilot Swift extension color. Okay, command and click. You can okay, I believe Copilot give me a lot of public code source. Okay, that's good. That's good. Copilot even give me some like the source of where the suggestion coming from. They're pretty good. Yeah, you got to get credits when the credits due. That's pretty good. Let's go back to our code here. Oh, sorry, our code here. You already extend that, and we can use the data. So save it. Go back here. It will automatically boom updated, which is good. And let's write our data. Import SwiftUI using struct to got our mock data. Come on, Copilot. Still thinking, so you can. Whoa, that's great. Yeah, we don't need to do that. The reason we use the extension is for not using something like this. So var color, colors. Let me just use American spelling. Color, okay. Instead of hard coded, we can use array of color. Okay, initialize array and 4 0 to this is like a color generator. Let's generate 100. Okay, and I'm going to array append that. Yeah, since we already extend the color random, so we can append that and jump out of this array, return that certain array. So you can get the mock data array. Good, save. Okay, so we can have a view that can actually show the data. Content view. Okay, vstack. Just to get rid of everything. Okay, just to add a scroll view in here. Things, we got a lot of things. Okay, I'm going to add a lazy vertical grid, so V grid, and we can pass in columns and yeah. So essentially, you just need to pass a grid item in here. Let's start with one. Okay, let's just test things out. Start with one grid item. Grid item. Okay, we got it here. And go size, spacing, alignment. Let's pass in grid item, and can I say a specific fixed CG float? Let me add. Let's say 50. Okay, so that's it. And then the contents view, yeah, we can delete all that. So just a simple lazy grid, and yeah, lazy grid inside fix. Yeah, let's get the contents ready. So for each, we're going to initialize our mock data. So mock data dot colors. Okay, and the ID can let me just use Copilot. ID, get rid of self color in color frame. We got us the frame and color radius. Yeah, let's try this. First thought like I could use shape, but cannot convert grid ID, grid item. Okay, so maybe we need to put inside of an array. Okay, come on, build it. Yeah, we can build. That's good. Still okay. Missing return in getting expected value. We got mock data missing. Well, we already got the return of arrays. That's weird. Okay, maybe it's a parenthesis problem. Okay, parenthesis problem. Sorry about that. So this should end here, and then the return is returned outside. Okay, that should be good to go. Where's my phone? This phone's Pro Max. Change that to Pro Max, so I can run my this phone. Sometimes it will like automatically become Pro. I don't know why. Maybe some sort of bug. Here. Okay, seems it's installing. And it's so slow. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna drink some coffee. Okay, it's definitely pretty slow. Okay, luckily I paused the video. So as you can see, we got this all sort of different colors. And since the lazy grid, as you can see, yeah, you're not going to like generate a whole lot at the beginning, okay? And we fixed, you can change this to say, yeah, I believe we can get the okay, not here. Where's the preview? I might accidentally just okay. There's a preview anyway. That's weird. Okay, doesn't really matter that much. But I just want to see where's the preview. It doesn't really matter. Okay. So let's just change that to 100, so you guys can see it's not that narrow, it become like a wider. Okay, grid item fixed 100. Okay, this is just a items number. Okay, here is 100. Okay, run this. Okay, should be bigger. Okay, it's definitely bigger. Yeah. So yeah, that was just one grid item. Of course, you can add multiple grid item. So in order to get that using like a graceful way of doing things, you can add a variable of array of, let me just capitalize it, array of columns. Okay, and I can have a repeating array, so array of repeat. Okay, repeating a specific grid item. Yeah, and I can count that multiple times. So let's count that 5. So we got 5 grid item, and grid item we have a yeah, can I have a, yeah, can I have adaptive? Oh my gosh, adaptive minimum maximum. Yeah, let's add a minimum of 30, maximum of 100. That should do 5. So array of columns will be our array of columns here. So I don't actually need this hard coded, but rather I can pass this. Hopefully I can actually pass the build. That's good. Whoa. Okay, this is definitely a lot, because it's like adaptive, and I got a minimum of 30. Oh my gosh, count 5. So maybe it's too much. Let's just give it fixed. Okay, let's get rid of this. Dots fixed. CG float. Let's get 100. Make it 3. Okay, and yeah, let's see the result. Yeah, that's much better because there is no overlapping. Just got 3 fixed 100. 100 squirrel. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Yeah, sorry this video is already pretty long. I'm gonna pause here, so see you next video. Bye.